Assalamu alaikum everyone, Ahmed Anjum here from AA Sports and welcome back to my channel. So everyone, in today's video we will be talking about the PCB, Pakistan Cricket Board, fining the T20I players of the Pakistani cricket team with a fine of 5 million rupees everyone. Yes, 50 lakhs. That's a hefty fine on these players everyone. Now considering their performances were weak and the Pakistani Cricket Board, they had to take some precautions, so they decided to fine these players with rupees 5 million each, except if we look at some players who are an exception like Saifzada Farhan, Usman Tariq and Fakhr Zaman. There will be no fine on these players as their performances were good, to be honest. Yes, they did show their potential in the T20I World Cup when other players were not showing. And to be honest, this precaution is not good. To be honest, this will just encourage the players to resign and retire and play league crickets and not perform, because of course they'll just retire, to be honest, because no one will want to pay hefty fines all the time. So you're basically demotivating them, not motivating them. Now, to be honest, PCB could have taken another precaution like removing Mike Hesson and bringing another head coach, or they could have removed Salman Ali Agha from captaincy and brought in someone else, to be honest, who has the potential to lead Pakistani cricket team in the T20Is with experience they might bring. They should have brought Mohammad Rizwan back, as that guy is amazing. To be honest, he's experienced. He had that potential. He showed it for the Pakistani cricket team when the Pakistani cricket team needed him the most back in 2021 and 2022 and 2023 even. Everyone, he performed. And his performances did drop in between, but that guy, he does have experience. He knows this team pretty well and he can do a lot, to be honest. But to be honest, our management, the PCB management, does not understand this point. But there has another news which has just come in, everyone, and the news is that Sarfraz Ahmed might become the new head coach of the Pakistani cricket team. Yes. Now, if Sarfraz Ahmed does become the head coach of the Pakistani cricket team, it will solve a lot of problems, because he was the greatest captain the Pakistani cricket team ever got. Yes, he was the greatest captain the Pakistani cricket team ever got. He's the captain. Because of him, we won the series, won T20I series 12 times consistently, everyone. Yes, and then because of him, we won the 2017 Champions Trophy. And then of course he's the one who brought Shadab Khan in, who brought Shaheen Shah Afridi in, who brought Babar Azam in. He's the one who trained them. He's their mentor, the mentor of the whole Pakistani cricket team. He was there when the Pakistani cricket team needed him the most. And of course, a little downfall came of him. He lost only one T20I series after winning 12 consecutive T20I series, everyone. Just one loss cost him his captaincy. The PCB management needs to actually think. Fining players of rupees 5 million won't change. It will just damage their morale instead. Yes, that's the truth, to be honest. And of course, what I believe is, everyone, if you go long term, this could harm Pakistani cricket even more. Okay, fine. Let's suppose that you fine the players. They might pay the fine as well. Okay, they might pay the fine. But paying the fine out of fear only one time, it might work short time, but in the long term, it might damage the Pakistani cricket, because it will just create frustration in their minds. If you force the players to perform and they don't do it by heart, that's not how it works, to be honest. So the Pakistani cricket management needs to take some other precaution, because this will have some really negative consequences towards it. While yes, everyone, and in a bit, in a few hours, the first semi-final will be played of the T20I World Cup against, yes, South Africa and New Zealand. It's about to be a big semi-final, everyone, because this reminds me of the 2015 semi-final, to be honest. Yes, which was played against New Zealand and South Africa in the ODI T20 in the ODI World Cup, and where New Zealand, they beat South Africa, and South Africa were just devastated on the field. It was just a sad show to watch. But hopefully South Africa, they beat New Zealand today and we witnessed some history. So to be honest, again I'll say it, Pakistani cricket management, they need to take some other precautions, because this precaution will just damage the Pakistani cricket team, to be honest. They won't care, they'll resign and they'll start playing league crickets where they'll make more than this fine, to be honest. They'll be like, why don't we make that much money? Why do we have to pay it back to the board? So yes, and while players have also said that they play for themselves, they don't play for the people. So it's really sad. Well, if you people enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you people in the next video. Allah Hafiz everyone.